Morning guys, May 11th, 2023. This one I got a call from a new customer, a new homeowner. Just bought this house and he's got an AC system that he wants me to go over there and check it. And I told him, you know, it's going to be a warmer day to really check it properly, and next couple of days are going to be pretty warm, so I'm going over there. He said something about insulation on the outside needs to be changed, and I have that. I got some filters in my truck. I don't have all the sizes, but it's that time of year where I should probably stock up on some and have different filters in the truck, different sizes I need. But anyway, we're going to go over there and check it out, start it up, and check the charge and make sure everything's okay for the guy. Try to bring you along.
Lighting in here is not that good.
Alright, looks like a rud.
Yes, they're both ruds, the air conditioning and the...
Okay, so that's good.
And I put that filter in February.
Okay, so that should be...
An extra one here.
Yeah, that's still fine. Alright, as long as it's fine, you're gonna keep them changed. That's important.
Yep, I got it.
Okay, and you get a couple of them. Perfect. Alright, and we'll run it and we'll check it outside.
You don't do the water heaters, right?
Do I what?
The water heaters?
What about it?
You don't do water heaters.
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Because that one's 18 years old.
Wow, is it really?
That's what they said. That's what the home inspector told me. It must be right.
Look at it. They got it facing the wrong way. How are you gonna get it out of there? That's kind of queer.
He probably built this wall after he put half of that.
Yeah, that was really dumb. Oh no, they got an access port there. See it?
No. Oh, behind the mirror? I'll be damned.
Well, what you want to probably do is cut a door in there, no? To get to this?
Yeah, I guess, or whatever's needed. I don't know why it's insulated and everything. It doesn't make any sense. Nothing makes sense.
Well, I might be able to get it. We'll take all this shelving out of here, but I mean, I could probably, kind of a queer place to have it, right?
Well, I think he built the walls around it. I think this room he built after obviously after the water heater.
Yeah. Unless you want to cut an opening in there, we can get in and out right there. I mean, that would be the thing to do.
That's the easiest way to do it.
Right? And make like a frame like this with any kind of door.
Sure.
I mean, this way it only makes sense, right?
Yeah.
I should have a TXV, but just in case. Cooling. We'll turn it down. Now on this here automatic, fan automatic on. If you turn it on, the fan will run all the time. Automatic, the fan will run, cycle on and off as needed. Okay? So leave it on automatic.
Okay.
Alright? So we're right around 59 on a wet bulb. Like I said, it should have a TXV, so I gotta go. Is that the unit around back on the side? Where is it?
It's right here. You go this way.
Alright, let me get my kit. I gotta go through the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could put a new piece. Could open it up. It's probably 22. Well, 22. Yeah. Coil's not crazy dirty, but it's probably going to have to be cleaned a little. See our subcooling at 19. It's a little high, but can't take any out because this is already low. 13 for the superheat, that's fine. Outside coil with a garden hose every so often. Yeah, I'll do that on the way out. You got a garden hose? If not, I could bring one from the truck. You got a spout over there? We'll hit the coil on the way out. That ain't looking bad right there. 60, we can't go any lower than that. We'll leave it right there. They're not bad, but it don't hurt to give it a good hosing, you know? Just to rinse off the... These units are very nice, but they usually get dirty right in the back here. This is not a big issue. Just give it a little hosing and it'll be good. What happens is it gets dirt in there, right, and it don't breathe properly. Don't get rid of the heat, right?
The frame looks good. Not rusty.
No, it's pretty good actually. I did look at the coil, it was really clean, but it doesn't hurt to give it a good... See what I'm doing here? Yeah. It don't hurt to do that. Yeah, you want to make sure it's clean. Because what happens is the heat from the house comes out here and you get rid of it here. Not going to get rid of the heat right.
Actually shocking to me to see a central air unit. When I was here 30 years ago, I don't remember 2 or 3 nights a year that you really thought you would need air conditioning. But I guess it's changed, huh?
Well, I mean, I like AC. I live with AC. I got mine on now.
No kidding. Wow, we had the heat on this morning.
Well, I mean, during the day when it gets hot out, I'll have it on. Ain't rocket science. Wonder why I wear rubber boots.
You can see why.
Yeah, it keeps my feet dry. No insulation. That's old 05. 18 years old and still working fine. That's what you want to hear.
Boy, I guess.